Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. Our summer weather is heating up, and right now we're in a heat advisory, according to the National Weather Service in Flagstaff. When the weather is this hot, the National Weather Service recommends consideration of several precautionary actions. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Also take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside. When possible, reschedule strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible, and to reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location, and remember, heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Heat will continue in the high 90s, although the good news is that there are opportunities for monsoon showers and thunderstorms later this week. It's a good time for a reminder that time of day outdoor watering restrictions are currently in effect. Please limit your watering hours to after 8 p.m. and before 8 a.m. from April 15th all the way until November 1st, according to Prescott City Code 3-10-14. The Public Works Department has initiated repair of a section of wastewater infrastructure lines along Willow Lake Road on the north side east of Willow Creek Road to approximately SR 89. This work will not impact travel lanes of the road, but hikers and pedestrians are advised to use caution in the area and heed temporary construction signs and warnings. This work is expected to take about 2 weeks to complete. You may have noticed that the Community Nature Center, the CNC, is currently closed. They are installing a brand new Americans with Disabilities Act compliant trail. This is a great way to offer further accessibility so that anyone can enjoy the CNC, and they hope to reopen by the end of July. A new kind of biking trail is coming to the Prescott area. After years of planning, public comment periods, and collaboration, the Bean Peaks Gravity Flow Trail System in Prescott, Arizona has received final approval from the U.S. Forest Service. What is a gravity flow trail? According to the U.S. Forest Service, gravity flow trails provide one-way, bike-optimized trails with tabletops, rollers, berms, and technical rock features that provide the user with a flow experience that can be easy and fun without leaving the ground. Or users can increase speeds and challenge themselves by jumping the same features that can be rolled over. Gravity flow trails are designed to be fun and flowing and allow the user to easily go faster or slower depending on their desires and skills. The 850 feet of elevation and unique rock formations provide excellent terrain for flow trail development just 3 miles south of downtown Prescott. The first of its kind in Arizona, this system will offer a roller coaster-like experience to be enjoyed by mountain bikers of all abilities and will be designed to include accessibility for adaptive riders. The proposal for this trail system was the result of an IMBA Trail Accelerator grant awarded to the PMBA, the Prescott Mountain Bike Alliance, and the City of Prescott in 2020, and the IMBA Trail Solutions will begin construction on the system this fall of 2023. The finished construction will yield 17 miles of mountain bike trails and 2 new trailheads. Construction of this new trail system will be completed through a partnership with the Forest Service, the City of Prescott, and the Prescott Mountain Bike Alliance to hire professional trail contractors to complete this type of advanced trail construction. Dozens of people attended the Preservation Commission meeting to voice their opinions on the proposed hotel to be built on Whiskey Row. While nearly all were complimentary of the hotel design, most felt it was out of place on Whiskey Row. All in all, the comments were mostly constructive and provided both sides much to think about. This was a discussion-only meeting and no votes were taken. The video is archived on our website, Channel 64, the Prescott Facebook page, and the city's YouTube channel if you would like to review it. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I want to thank you for watching this week's update, and I'll see you next week on Monday.